Hello, welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how buffalo leather is made, step by step.
This one is a B grade.
Okay, moving it to the main belt.
In these massive drums, the buffalo hides undergo the soaking and liming process, using specialized chemicals to
We have a fluctuation on the pH levels.
I see it. Increasing the chemical mix now. It's stabilizing.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how buffalo leather is made, from start to finish.